Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to look how we can create a sphere, an animating sphere using simple HTML and CSS. So this is how the actual sphere will look like. You can use this into your uh, home pages on your Blogger website or WordPress website. You can use this code and make it more attractive to the users. You can choose any color for this type of sphere. Whenever our cursor goes over to the sphere, it becomes invisible. So you can use it in your projects in the home page or whatever page you like to make it more attractive to the users when they notice something animating there. So let's jump into the code. So this is the basic styles which we have declared for this uh, page. These are the various styles. I will be providing the code. I will be providing the link of the code in the description. You can go copy it, use into your projects, and make it more attractive to the users. So this is simply we have created multiple divs, and then we have like created an child, and this we have transform, rotate x, translate z, and we have done for all the divs including here. So this is how you can use this project, use this code into your projects you need and make it more attractive to the users. Thank you for watching this video.